Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to check grammars using Killbot. Maybe you wanted to know if your grammar is correct, so you wanted to check it, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you how to check your grammar using Killbot. Check video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open your any browser application, but for this example, I'll be using my Chrome application. Once you are in this browser, go to this website called killbot.com. After you are in this website, tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of the screen. And then, as you can see in here, we have the paraphraser, grammar checker, plagiarism checker, summarizer, and citation generator. So to check your grammar, tap on this grammar checker. And then after that, simply tap on this side. And then, as you can see here, grammar checkers, which means you are using the grammar checker. And then now, enter your text here. You can manually type your text here or you can paste it. Just long press on this and then tap on paste. And then, as you can see, this is the text we copied. After that, just go back. And then, as you can see, fixed all error is disabled. This is means zero errors. Let's try and put some errors. As you can see, I put an error on this sentence. Just go back again. And then in here, as you can see, two errors. Tap on fix all errors to fix all the errors of your grammar. As you can see, fixed all errors. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use Grammar Checker using Killbot, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to use Grammar Checker in Killbot, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.